Want to make money online? Cool. Forget the fake gurus and the TikTok bros telling you passive income is just one click away. We're not here for dreams. We're here for real, beginner-proof ways to make actual money online. The goal? Build your starting capital. Not millions yet, just your first few hundred, maybe your first 1,000. Enough to start moving differently. Step 1. Freelancing. This is the fastest way to start. If you can write, design logos, edit videos, translate, manage social media, do voiceovers, anything, jump on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Don't overthink it. You don't need to be the best in the world. You only need to be slightly better than someone who has no clue how to do it. Risk management here is simple. Don't quit your day job. Stack this as a side hustle until it starts covering your basics. Now, what if you have no skills? No problem. Step 2. Selling stuff you already own. Look around you. Old clothes, books, video games, furniture, tech gadgets you never use, sell it. eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Depop, Vinted, whatever fits. I guarantee you are sitting on cash right now and you don't even know it. Risk? Basically zero. You're turning clutter into cash. Step 3. Product flipping. You level up the selling game. Hit garage sales, thrift shops, Facebook Marketplace. Look for stuff undervalued. Vintage clothing, retro electronics, shoes, tools, collectibles. Buy low, sell higher on eBay, Etsy, or even Amazon. Risk management tip. Start small. Spend $20 to $50 testing what sells. Only scale when you figure out your market. Step 4. Remote microjobs. Yeah, it's boring. It's not glamorous, but it works. Websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, Remo Tasks, they pay for simple things. Categorizing photos, transcribing audio, testing websites. It's grind work, but it's fast money when you need it. Zero risk, only your time. Step 5. Online tutoring. You don't need to be a math genius or a coding wizard. If you speak English, there are thousands of people worldwide who will pay just to practice conversation with you. Websites like Cambly, Preplay, and italki make it simple. You chat, they learn, you get paid. Risk? None. Step 6. Print on demand. This one takes a little setup, but no upfront cost. You create simple designs, funny slogans, simple graphics, and upload them to sites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon. When someone buys, they print and ship it. You collect a cut. Risk? Low. Your only risk is your time designing. And you don't need to be a designer. Canva exists. Step 7. Content creation. Yep, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. But here's the real talk. You don't need to be an influencer. You can create faceless content, tutorials, facts, stories, animations. It won't make money day one, but it compounds. And long term, this turns into real income streams through ads, sponsorships, affiliate links. Risk management? Don't expect quick money. This is a patience game. And now the most important part, nobody ever tells you. What you do with that first $1,000 matters more than how you made it. Do not flex it. Do not waste it. That money is fuel. You use it to upgrade your tools. Better microphone, faster laptop, software that saves you time. Or if your gear is fine, stack it. Use it as capital for bigger plays. Starting an online store, running ads, learning real skills that scale. Wanna lose? Go straight to risky stuff like crypto, dropshipping, or options trading with no plan. Wanna win? Master boring money first. Low risk, high effort hustles, build cash, then move smart. This right here, this is your starter kit. But trust me, we're just scratching the surface. You want the next level? How to turn this small money into automated income, scalable side hustles, and real financial freedom? Hit that subscribe button because the next video, we're going way deeper.